Wings of Exile, Journeys written by the Creator. The Creator says, "Do they not see the birds held under subjection in the vault of heaven? None holds them up except Allah. Indeed, in that are signs for a people who believe." The beloved messenger has said, "If you rely upon Allah as you should, He would provide for you as He provides for the birds. They go out hungry in the morning and return with full bellies in the evening." The migration of birds is a testament to the Creator's meticulous design. Every year, millions of birds embark on journeys spanning thousands of miles, navigating vast oceans and towering mountains. These migrations are not mere coincidences, but are intricately woven into the fabric of nature, reflecting the Creator's wisdom. In regions like Jammu and Kashmir, India, the arrival of migratory birds signifies a harmonious balance between nature and the environment. The Creator's creation is flawless, and He alone deserves our gratitude for the gifts He has bestowed upon us. Over 1,400 years ago, the Creator highlighted the phenomenon of bird migration, a concept that modern science is only beginning to understand. Studies have shown that birds can travel up to 60,000 miles annually, with some species like the Arctic tern covering vast distances. In Jammu and Kashmir, wetlands such as Hokersar and Wular attract over 1 million migratory birds each winter, showcasing the region's ecological significance. These patterns align with the Creator's revelations, emphasizing the intricate design of our world. In the vast expanse of the sky, birds take flight, soaring high. From distant lands they embark, guided by the Creator's spark. Through storms and winds they glide, with unwavering faith as their guide. Their journey long yet precise, a testament to divine sacrifice. In valleys deep and mountains tall, they heed the Creator's call. Their wings beat in rhythmic grace, reflecting the Creator's embrace. Across oceans wide and skies so vast, their migration is unsurpassed. A dance of life, a sacred song. In the Creator's plan, they belong. The migration of birds transcends cultural and religious boundaries, serving as a universal symbol of resilience and faith. In today's context, this phenomenon underscores the importance of environmental conservation and the need to protect our natural habitats. Initiatives like the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, and various global environmental movements echo the sentiments expressed in the Creator's revelations, urging humanity to act responsibly towards nature. On the Day of Judgment, every creation will testify to its purpose. The birds, with their unwavering faith and obedience, will stand as witnesses to the Creator's grandeur. Humanity will be held accountable for their stewardship of the earth, and the treatment of its creatures will be a measure of their righteousness. If we neglect the sanctity of nature and the creatures within it, we risk disrupting the delicate balance established by the Creator. The decline in bird populations worldwide serves as a warning, urging us to reflect on our actions and their consequences. Our future depends on the choices we make today in preserving the environment and honoring the Creator's creations. Humanity is entrusted with the care of the earth and its inhabitants. By ensuring the protection of migratory routes, conserving wetlands, and promoting sustainable practices, we honor the Creator's trust. Educating communities about the importance of biodiversity and the interdependence of all life forms is crucial in fostering a harmonious relationship with nature. Millions of birds, over 1.2 billion globally, migrate annually across continents, navigating deserts, mountains, and oceans with uncanny precision. Creator says each creature knows its appointed path and sustenance. In Jammu and Kashmir alone, over 500,000 migratory birds visit wetlands like Hokersar and Wular, contributing to ecological balance and wetland health. Bar-headed geese soar above 7,000 meters, crossing the Himalayas where oxygen levels are 40% lower than at sea level. Beloved Messenger has said, "If you rely upon Allah, He will provide sustenance even for the smallest of creatures." This illustrates divine design, physiology, and the Creator's foresight in every living being. Satellite tracking shows that some species, like Arctic terns, travel over 71,000 kilometers annually, the equivalent of almost twice the circumference of Earth. In the universe of creation, Creator says, "No movement occurs without my decree." Birds' navigation uses geomagnetic fields, sun positioning, and celestial cues, all encoded in their instinct. Declining bird populations globally, estimated 29% of species in the last 50 years, signal urgent environmental responsibility. Beloved Messenger reminds humanity, he who does not care for the creatures of Allah is heedless of his own duty. Protecting migratory routes, wetlands, and forests ensures sustainability, preserves biodiversity, and honors the Creator's gifts. Neglect the wings that traverse skies, and humanity will inherit imbalance and loss. Honor every creature, safeguard creation, and live with gratitude for the Creator's infinite gifts.